Hello everybody and welcome to my first video of 2021, and actually today is the first day of CES 2021. My name is Rolando and today I'll be doing a small recap of what happened this morning and what some companies presented at CES 2021. There are a bunch of press conferences all happening at the same time, so I choose to take part of the press conference from LG, Samsung, and TLC. And there is some interesting information that these companies put out, like new tech on TVs, smart home devices, AI innovations, and new phones. Let's start with Samsung. Samsung talked about all their new smart home devices like their new fridge, the new micro LED TV, AI robots that help you around the home, smart vacuums, and the Smart Pets app that help you monitor your pet's activity while you're not at the home. They didn't talk about phones, but we'll be hearing about the new Galaxy S21 and other devices later on this week when they do their Unpack event. Next is TLC, who talk about their new tech in mini LED TVs and the implementation of Google TV to their smart TVs. Also about a new tablet with pen support, the new true wireless headphones, and the new TLC 20 series phones with the TLC 20 5G and the TLC 20 SE. And also, they gave a teaser on their new TLC CSOT rollable display. For more information about the specs on the TLC 20 series, go check my Twitter where I posted all the specs on this new line of phones. But one of the most surprising conferences was from LG and was the one that captivated everybody's attention when they teased the new LG rollable phone right from the beginning of their press conference. Also, they talk about LG PuriCare air filters, new fridges, and other smart home devices. They talk about their new tech on 8K TVs with the LG OLED Evo and the new LG QNED Mini LED TV. Also, they show for people that are looking for new thinner laptops their new LG Gram and their new 4K 32-inch LG Ultrafine OLED Pro monitor, great for content creation. But they captivated our eyes once again when they showed the LG rollable at the end. I can't wait to get my hands on this phone. Well, this has been a small recap from the morning part of CES, so there will be more press conference later on in the afternoon, like the one from Sony that I'll be covering also. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more coverage on CES. Also, if you want me to cover something specific out of CES, make sure you leave it on the comments below. And if you want instant coverage on CES, make sure you follow me on social media. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.